How to get dark mode on Snapchat on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can get dark mode on Snapchat app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get dark mode on Snapchat app on Android, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. Now currently you can see that I'm on the larger theme on my Android device, but did you know that Android basically also has a new feature that will let you go ahead and then move Snapchat into dark mode, because this is the new Snapchat update. So for this, first make sure your Snapchat app is also updated to the latest version. Now tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then after that, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen again. After you do that, simply scroll and then look for the option known as App Appearance and then make sure to tap on it. As you tap on App Appearance, here you'll find the option called Always Dark. So now tap on Always Dark, and now here you can see dark mode setting updated. Now you can tap the Restart Now option and then dark mode will get successfully applied, as you can see here. This way you will be able to actually get Snapchat in dark mode on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.